There are images everywhere if we allow ourselves to look. And you just have to experiment. It really is trial and error. If I go out, I take loads of pictures and then I come back pick out the ones that I like best. But the possibilities are limitless, really. And there are no rules, and it's fun to have a go. That's what I love about this. To me, that's what photography should be about. I just love the softness, which is, as I said, a real sort of impressionist image, which I think works really well. It does give you a soft impressionist scene, which is probably how you actually feel about the place, the countryside, more so than, as I said, just a straight shot, that it could be quite boring. But I just think that in woodlands in particular, it was a very cluttered scene, really, but it just takes that bit of detail out. And then you end up with quite an abstract-y shot that's quite different. I quite like this one because I just think it's gone away from reality, and I can see two couples walking along the beach, and obviously it's just their legs. Oh, there are no rules, and it's fun to have a go. So that's to me is, as I said, what photography is all about, really. And so when you're on a flow, you have to keep going with it. That's how I approach it. So this is one of my favourite quotes. "A vision is the art of seeing what is invisible to others." And it's basically just look around a bit. Just keep your wits about you and just look. There's potential for creative images everywhere if we allow ourselves to see them. Sometimes it takes time to look away from the obvious and find something more unusual. Try looking at reflections in windows and water, patterns on rust and rocks, in ice, and even abstract images and landscapes in damp mould. And these sort of shots will always be different. Other people wouldn't pick exactly that spot to take the picture. But so as I said, it's just looking down, looking up, looking around you, and you can come up with images that are just different and at the same time creative. There's beauty everywhere if we take our time to see. But I hope and to look away from the obvious and find something more unusual.